Hey there, curious minds and smart shoppers. Welcome to the future. Welcome to Sardar Shahzad Khan YouTube channel, your ultimate destination for the coolest, smartest, and most life-changing gadgets on the planet. Electric plug. Whether you're into clever kitchen tools, next-gen electronics, jaw-dropping home upgrades, or must-have tech for your car, this is the place that will blow your mind and simplify your life. Light bulb. Let's be honest, life is hectic. We're constantly juggling work, home, kids, cooking, cleaning, travel, you name it. But what if I told you there are smart gadgets that could do half of that work for you? From automatic stirrers that cook while you relax, to motion sensor lights that guide your steps at night, to wireless tools that fix and upgrade without the mess. The future is already here, and it's available for you. Cell phones and Arrow are gadgets weren't just toys. They are powerful tools designed to save you time, effort, and money. Imagine turning your bathroom into a luxury spa with a simple device, or making your home more secure with just one smart plug. Sounds like a dream? It's not. It's reality, and it's available right now. Rocket. And the best part? These aren't the kind of products you'll find in every store. These are